Had one thunderstorm, now I'll get him another one. 05 roughly. Another one with intense lightning and so forth approaching. And this is the one going away from us. And all that street flooding for the time being has let up completely. And it's gone down, drained. Good. This approaching storm is moving at 25 miles an hour. The other one's moving at 10. So that means this storm's probably going to hit that storm, combine and make it even worse for the people who live down near Greenwood, etc., and Lawrence. And that's where it's thunderstorming now in Lawrence area. As you can hear, there's still thunder in the storm, quite a bit of it. Wish it was nighttime. That me.